How to make Instagram music longer than 15 seconds. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can lengthen the time of your Instagram music to add to your Instagram story. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application from your device. Then in order to add a story, tap onto your story on your top left. Now as it opens up your gallery section here, make sure that you choose two images. You can choose the two same images if you would like, or different one. You can see that there are two stories. Now let's go ahead and add the music. Tap on the music icon on your top page and select the music that you would like to add. Then you will see that the timer is 9 seconds. If you go ahead and tap onto it, it will only show you the extended time, that is 15 seconds. Now go ahead and choose up to 7 or 6 seconds. And under the second photo, remember the time that you added for the music in the first photo. That was 9 seconds. And continue it from here. Once you do so, tap onto done. Just like so, this is the only way you can add music more than 15 seconds in your Instagram story. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.